Today I'm going to be showing you how to make breadsticks. For ingredients, you're going to need 1 packet of instant rise yeast, a 1/4 cup of dried non-fat milk, 15 grams of sugar, a 1.5 cups of warm water, a teaspoon of kosher salt, 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil plus an additional 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, butter flavored pan, a tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of dried oregano, a tablespoon of dried basil, ground pepper, kosher salt, a 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and optional marinara sauce. So the first step, in a bowl of a stand mixer, combine 1 packet of instant rye yeast, a 1/4 cup of dried non-fat milk, about 15 grams of sugar, a 1.5 cups of warm water, and a teaspoon of kosher salt. You're going to mix this all together and get it a little foamy for 3 to 5 minutes before adding 500 grams of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
That is so much, but also that makes a lot of sense.
You're going to knead the mixture with a dough hook on medium-high speed for 5 to 8 minutes before a tacky ball of dough forms. Then you're going to flour your countertop and turn the dough out on top. Pat and stretch into a 9 by 13 inch rectangle and add a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil to a casserole dish and place your dough inside. Pat into the corners until it fills the casserole dish and cover with plastic wrap. And here comes the hardest part. You're going to have to wait. You're going to set it aside and let it rise for 60 to 90 minutes or until it is doubled in size. While that's happening, in a small bowl, combine the onion powder, garlic powder, dried oregano, dried basil, ground pepper, kosher salt, and Parmesan cheese. Once the dough is doubled in size, you're going to leave it inside the casserole dish and cut it into 1-inch sticks, about the size of the ones you get at Pizza Hut, and spray with butter flavored pan. Then you're going to preheat your oven to 475 degrees and put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And they end up looking like this. And as you see, they are very good. Here's me eating it. Wow, that looks good. Great job, me.
Go on.